Hi! In front of me is CUBOT P50, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration options on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access device's settings and scroll down. Now choose sound section over here and tap on Vibrate for calls. Now you need to click on one of those options to select the best one for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate. Then tap on the back button, scroll down and choose shortcut to prevent ringing. Over here you can set up vibrate by clicking on it. Then go back, choose advanced, scroll all the way down and click on the switcher next to charging sounds and vibration to enable or disable it. And finally manage touch vibrations by choosing this switcher next to them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!